Installing Cygwin packages from the command line. Possible duplicate. Upgrading and installing packages through the Cygwin command line. I'm looking for a yum-link method to install additional Cygwin packages from the command line. Let's say I want to add the package math/pc, then ideally I'd like to be able to do it using one command, as in Currently the only way I've found to install new packages is to locate and run the installation file setup.x file and then scroll to the relevant package, add it, etc. This is quite cumbersome, so I'm sure there is a smarter command line way to add an additional package.